Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening your camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video right here, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here we have to find the video size option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see in this device we've got three different options, so the FHD, which is currently applied, HD and SD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen video size whilst recording a video. Of course it's up to you which option you want to apply, however I highly recommend to keep the first option turned on or applied, as it is the best option possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.